Hello guys, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel DIY Paper Art. Now let's learn how to make four cups.
Hello guys, we are making a 4 cups now. Now take a square paper, fold it into half. Now open it and fold it into another half. Fold it nicely. Now you see you get 2 folds. Now bring this corner into the middle. Do the same for all 3 sides. Now flip this paper and bring this corner to the center point. Do the same for all the 4 sides. Now fold this paper cup twice. Your paper cup is now ready.